What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So today we're going to replace the door on the Chevy Silverado 1500. This is really easy. I thought there was going to be a lot of hammering and chiseling and maybe even some grinding, and I just thought this was going to be a really difficult thing to do. As it turned out, this was something that once you've done it once, you could do it again in probably 15 minutes from start to finish. Like, no joke, this is nothing. But I figure it's an interesting video. Some of you have probably never seen someone remove a door from a car or a pickup truck before. So let's get started. All right, so there she is. That was honestly pretty easy. You can definitely see a difference in the color of the paint. At least I can. Maybe not so much here, but this may come out with a heavy buff and polish. Maybe we still got these things to deal with because we don't have them on the other side. Once we put this door on, it started rubbing against the fender because this fender is damaged. You can see where it caught right here. But honestly, this fender is like not even on my list of things that I'm really concerned about, nor the hood. Just minor, very minor damage. Now that we've got it back together, I mean, it looks real good. It really does. All right, so that was a short and sweet video, right? I know I didn't take the time to explain anything or really detail what we were doing. This is so easy to do, pretty self-explanatory. There are 3 bolts in the door you take out. You've got to pull the wire out of the kick panel that runs to the door. Obviously, you have to take the door panel off, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's really nothing more to it. And you don't even have to take the door panel off if you get the door panel with your new door. Unfortunately, I didn't. This is such an easy job, and I think it makes the truck look a whole lot better. There's still a lot more to do. I know we got a lot more things to get done on the truck. I'm swamped with work right now, so I'll do my best to get some more things going. We got a new project car, so we got to keep that in mind as well. So do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber already. And comment below. I can't answer all of them, but I do read them. I appreciate your comments. Stay safe out there, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.